Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a Fiverr account. So let's just get started. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about it. If you have any query, just let me know guys, let me know down in the comment section right away. So first you just go to your Fiverr and then press start now. It's hanged or what? So over here just have your number. Sorry, just press continue and then continue again, and you can have all like this, verifying your account. It will take some time guys, but don't you worry about it. Oh sorry, this choose again. Verifying, and then to activate it, a code will be sent to your number, and then see the code will be like this, automatically generated, or let's say automatically detected. Now just have your name and everything and just press OK, and then skip it if you want, or you can connect to Google Drive, and that's how you do it guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.